can do it?
It's going.
So this is a 2019 Honda Civic hatchback. Doesn't really matter what model you got, it's all the same. So the blue one is the high beam, and we got the green one, black and green rather, is a low beam. So this one you twist this way toward the driver's side, and it comes out. Okay, the low beam, I highly suggest y'all just press this tab down here, use your finger to push it down, maybe 2 fingers. Comes off. See? Green. And you go the opposite way of the high beam. This one goes this way. This one goes toward the passenger side. Now this is the driver's side headlight. I probably should have mentioned that. Pops out real easy. It's also called an H11 bulb. I already have one here ready to roll. And the reason I'm wearing gloves is, like everybody else is on the internet has said, is that you don't want your oils that are constantly being created on your hands to touch the bulb, because they get so hot it will actually pop the bulb. Just slide in there, twist it until it locks in, which is being difficult. So it's hard to feel sometimes. And it snaps. You barely hear the snap. You barely hear it. And I mean, I can just twist this back and get it how it should be. There it goes. Don't force it. If it's too hard, you're gonna break something. And that's pretty much it. Just want to make sure y'all know that one goes toward the passenger side, one goes toward the driver's side. On both sides, they're both like that. All right. Thanks for watching.